Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to send crypto from Coins.ph to Trust Wallet. So let's dive in. Now first, you have to open your Trust Wallet. Then tap on Receive. From there, you want to choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. Now this next part is very important. You want to make sure you select the correct network. The network you choose here must match what you select in Coins.ph. And once confirmed, simply tap Copy Address. From here, you want to open your Coins.ph app. Then you want to go to Crypto, select the coin you want to send, then tap Send and choose External Wallet. Paste the wallet address you copied from Trust Wallet. Again, double check that the network matches exactly. Then enter the amount you want to send. After entering the amount you want to send, you want to go ahead and review the network fee and total deduction plus the amount. Then simply tap Confirm. You may need to enter your PIN or complete OTP verification, but just wait for blockchain confirmation. Some networks like Solana or TRC20 are very fast, while Bitcoin and Ethereum may take longer. And that's it. Now you know how to send crypto from Coins.ph to Trust Wallet in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!